Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to automatically order numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the automatically order numbers. At first, select your cell. Then write a formula. At first, write is equal to on your keyboard. Then write row. Then start the first bracket and write your cell number. We can see the column is E and the row number is 1. Now I am write E1. Then in the bracket, then minus, write minus 0, then press enter. Then select the first cell, then we can see here the plus icon, then drag your mouse. We can see we make the automatically order number easily. You can delete any cell, but the number is automatically fill up. We can see the automatically number is fill up. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.